What's up, YouTube? In this video, we're doing another unboxing. We've got the NOCO Boost Sport. This is the GB20. This is actually the newer version to the one that I have currently, which is a GB20, and this is a 400 amp, I think, and that one's a 500. So this thing has truly saved me multiple times. There are even people on the side of the roads that I've helped, and honestly, I'm not one to use my own battery to start someone else's car unless it is a really good battery. So like a lot of the cars that I drive are pretty beat up and don't have good batteries. So I did this just to have another one. The old one just stopped charging one day. I don't know the whole situation. All I know is that it blinks red and it just doesn't want to work. So I just use it for the lights that are on it now. So this thing, I'm telling you, this will save you no matter where you are. I had mine for about 5 years, and I'm happy to make this as an investment. This is not a sponsor. This is something that everyone should have in their car, though. I'm telling you, you will be happy having this in your car. So, with that being said, let's get to unboxing. All right, here we go. As you can tell, it is fully closed up. Let's get to it. All right, here we go. There it is right there is the logo, and that is it in the box. It literally looks exactly the same as the other GB, or the GB20, but of course it says 500 amp and they're squared, not circle. So just for a quick preference on showing you what the old one looked like. This is the old one. You can see, I mean, besides it saying Genius and whatnot, I mean, they look the same. Let's get into opening it the rest of the way. Yep, still feels the same, material is the same. Yeah, it says the Genius here in the back. So, nothing different there. Yeah, I like it. Ooh, the jumpers look a little more sturdy. Alright. And it comes with another pouch. Awesome. This is your special pouch that you get with it. Oh, and the charger. It's even a thicker cable. I don't have the original one because I lost it when I moved from Redwood City to to Fresno. So, but this is definitely got some thickness to it. Then you have your menu, which, I mean, we don't need to where we're going. I got that from Damien, which he's over here painting the binoculars that we did in the previous video. So let's talk about these jumper pieces real quick. So they do definitely feel the same. They look a little thicker. Maybe it's just because it's newer. Let me get the old ones and show you what they look like. So these are the old ones. Well, you can tell they're a little used. They've been sitting for a while again, but that's the plug on the inside. Plugs look about the same, but I mean, maybe they'd work. I don't know. But I'm not going to worry about it. These are the old ones. They're going to just stay in here with the old ones. So, same thing, USB out, USB in, and that is where you would plug in the jumper section. And for the USB in and USB out, it is still a micro USB and your regular USB plug-in. So, nothing else pretty much to it. It's just to charge it up and go from there. But before we do that, I want to do a little bit more of a comparison. So, or not a comparison, I just want to show you what is wrong with my other NOCO, and the only reason why it happened, I think, is because this sat in the car for maybe 4 months, and at the time in Fresno it gets triple digits, and in your car it gets worse. So I just think that this just took a crap on me because it was in the heat for so long. I'm not 100% sure, but that's the issue I'm having with it. So like I said, I use it as a light, which I can show you here. I don't think this will have juice, but we'll check it out as well. Might as well just do a little quick comparison on it as well from the new one to the old one. I'm using a portable charger. I've had this thing for a long time. There's nothing special about this. It has a light on it as well, flashing light. So this is the old one. So as you see here, this is all it's doing. It's literally just pointing or blinking red, and it'll stay like that for hours. Literally, this is only good for using the light. That's all it's good for anymore. But I mean, it works. So who knows? It's still good to have. Oh look, see, look, it's showing that it's charging right now. But as soon as I would unplug it, or if I leave it trying to charge, it'll just say it's dead. Oh yeah, look, it's saying it's 100%. This thing hasn't had power to it in a long time. So, as you can tell, I've had my issues with this one. So, let's unplug it. Let's move it out of the way. Let's plug this one in. Oh, I like it. So it's already showing it's starting to charge. So it looks like it did have a little bit of juice. So, let me unplug this. And we'll see the lights working. Yep, there it goes. The light turned on. Yeah, I like it. It's got some brightness to it. It looks a lot better than the other one too. So to use this, it's pretty simple. So just like a regular jumper, positive to negative, plug this section into here. I mean, there's no, oh yeah, one square, one circle, which is good to do. I respect that. Slides in very simple, nothing crazy. And then positive to negative, make sure they're connected before you actually turn it on and try to jump it. And when this is on, this should light up and it'll show that it's getting a connection going from red to the highest number of voltage it's at, or battery power. And if it doesn't start, you would hold this down for a few seconds and it would make this blink and you actually hear a clicking noise inside of it. Well, for the old one it did it. I'm not sure if this one will, but I'm sure it has the same concept, but it'll push more power to it to get your battery started. So that's pretty much it. The jumper's pretty good. This isn't a sponsor. This is just me doing an unboxing video to add more content to my channel. So if you're new here, we do other kind of things like car content, other unboxings, and family vlogs with this punk right here. This is my son Damien. But anyways, this vehicle behind you, or behind us, is actually the vehicle that I'm going to be autocrossing this weekend. So if you're watching this video, be ready for some more content. We're going to be doing some autocrossing and seeing how it does. I have previous videos of showing the small things I've done to it, which it's not much, but we're just going to send it. So be easy.